Hey guys, welcome back to day 9. And in this video, we are going to learn CSS. Woohoo! Styling. So, this can be pretty easy. It's going to start off nothing we haven't done before. So, excuse me. Let's go ahead and do a heading 3. I just realized I really like heading 3s while doing these tutorials. Let's go ahead and say, this is the heading, and do an ending bracket, and just for giggles, let's do a horizontal rule, and then let's do a paragraph, and let's just go ahead and say this is a text in a paragraph element, and then ending bracket. So this is what we just did, nothing we have not seen yet, if you guys were following the other videos. So now is the good part, what we've been waiting for. We're going to learn to do the CSS, which is going to customize the HTML. So how we do this is we go ahead and in the element, we go and we type in style, spell it correctly, equal sign, quote, quote. Now what we can do is we can do anything. If you have Dreamweaver, you can see all the possible codes that we can do. We can do any of these codes right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and do color. Color is going to change the font color. And let's go ahead and do, what color should we do, guys? Sorry to shoot, I'm just going to close my eyes. Alright, we're doing whatever the C90 is. And let's go save it. And let's go check it out. It's not black! Woohoo! Wow, we chose like a dirty orange. Alright, so that's how you do coloring. Now let's try something else. Let's do text, align, center. What text align does is, it's pretty simple. It's where you want the text to go. You can do center, and here justify, left, right. Center, left, right, and justify are going to be your most common. However, you don't really use justify that much. If you don't know what justify is, that's the newspaper kind of thing. That's what they use. So now we have heading 3 in the center of the page. And that was done by using the text align center. Now let's go ahead and try changing the font. Maybe you don't like that font. Let's go and type in font, family, and now we can find all kinds of fonts. Now when you're using the web, I would stick to Arial or Verdana, something that every computer has. So my favorite is using Verdana. And the reason there are 3 in Dreamweaver is because if you're on a Mac, you may not have Verdana. So it's going to try using the second one. And if it doesn't have that one, it's going to go to the standard sans serif font. So let's go ahead and we'll use Verdana. And then also, I forgot to mention, I'm very sorry. When you do, when you do color, you need to do a colon, and then after this, you need to do the semicolon. This begins the code you're going to do, and tells your browser, okay, we're changing the font color, and this begins the area in here, and this is where you tell it what you want this to do, and then this is pretty much like the closing bracket, except it's a semicolon. So if you go online, you can find all sorts of different stuff. Like there's color, text align, border, font. So lots of stuff, lots and lots of stuff. I'm going to take it one step at a time with you guys. Yeah. Alright, so we have now changed the font to Verdana. Maybe you don't like Verdana. Let's go ahead and change it to Arial. Now we have Arial. Okay, now, let's see. Maybe we want to add a background color to it. So we'll go to background color, and you can add any color you want. I'm going to use black. Don't forget your ending bracket, or your semicolon, I'm sorry. Let's go back to view it, and now we have the black background, which is pretty cool. The heading automatically resolves to 100% width, kind of. So if this isn't something you want, we can go in and change it. We can do width, and we can try, let's do 200 pixels, and don't forget your semicolon. And now it's over here. Now you're probably wondering why it's on the left instead of the middle. And the reason that is because before it was at 100% width, which took up the entire page. So now we gave it a set limit of the pixels, which was, I believe, 200. So now it's only this long, but the text is still centered. It's just in this box itself. It's no longer taking up the whole area. So it is still centered. We just made the box smaller. When I say box, I'm talking about the header 3, by the way. But that's what's going on there. And let's go play around with the paragraph a little bit. Maybe we want to do some styling on the paragraph. Let's get a style, equal sign, quote, quote. We'll make the color something else. Let's try, let's do like a red, bright red, semicolon. And maybe we want to make it bold. So we'll go to text, transform, oops, wrong one, guys. We're going to type in font, and we are going to font weight, and we're going to type in bold. This is, remember how earlier I was saying how it's nice to have Dreamweaver because it saves you a lot of time? This is what I mean, like you don't have to type everything out, which is super cool. So now let's go ahead and check it out, see what we got going on. So now this is very ugly. The colors aren't going together, but that's besides the fact. Now we have the paragraph in red, and it's in bold, which is very cool. Give you guys yourself a pat on the back. You've learned a lot in this video. So this is styling. This is specific to only this paragraph itself. So if you were to do another paragraph where it's not gonna use the styles for this, but in the next video, or in the next few videos, I'm not sure which one yet. Sorry, there's an airplane outside. Coming up in the next few videos, I will show you how to make it so it goes onto all the paragraphs, and we'll go from there. And so I hope you guys like this video. Probably done something you haven't done yet before in your life, so it's all pretty cool, and it's gonna be a lot better. And so that is how you do styling to elements. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to ask. And don't forget to comment and subscribe and rate, which is like me. I'm doing a thumbs up right now. You can't see me, but I'm doing a thumbs up and I'm smiling. So yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Good luck, guys.